Hi guys, it's me again, Sir Ace, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about the standard equation of a circle to general equation of a circle. So meaning how you are going to write a standard equation of a circle to general equation of a circle. Okay, so we will start with the first example. So last time in our previous video, I discussed with you what a circle is and also how are you going to write a standard equation of a circle given a center and a radius. So let us have the first example. So suppose that we have x plus 1 square plus y plus 6 square is equal to 8 square. So this example is actually written in standard form because as you have noticed here, we have h and we have rk, which are 1 and 6 as our center, and your radius is 8. So this time we are going to write this or transform this into general form. And how are you going to do that? It is simply algebra. You're just going to expand all the terms. So you are going to have x plus 1 square. You're going to expand it and then add it to the expansion, or once you expand y plus 6 square is equal to whatever the square of 8 is. Okay? So in this case, you're going to do the first term. This is x plus 1 square. So x plus 1 square also means you are trying to multiply x plus 1 to itself twice. So this will be x plus 1 times x plus 1. And if you're going to use a FOIL method, first, x times x is x squared, out or the outer, x times 1 is x or positive x, inner, 1 times x is x, and then 1 times 1 or the last is 1. So if you're going to combine them, this will be x squared plus 2x plus 1. So after expanding x plus 1 square, we arrive with x squared plus 2x plus 1. But actually, we can use the square of a binomial. If you can still remember what a square of a binomial is, it is just simply squaring the first term, multiplying the first term or the second term, and then multiply it again by 2, and then get the square of the second term. So let us have this example. X plus 1 square. Square the first term, which is x squared. So x squared. And then multiply the first term and the second term. X times 1 is x. And then multiply it by 2. Then that is 2x. And then get the square of the second term, which is 1. 1 square is 1. So as you can notice, they are just the same. So either of the two ways is accepted as long as you will arrive with the same answer. So let us now continue expanding our equation. So this is x squared. So x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus, if you're going to expand the y plus 6 squared, so this is y squared plus y times 6 is 6y, multiply it by 2 is 12y, and then get the square of the second term, which is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, is equal to 8 squared is 64. So you have here now this equation. Remember that our general form is written in a form x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So this is our general form. So given this equation, you are now going to transform that here. So x squared plus, you have here y squared. So whatever the number with x, that is your dx already, plus 2x, unless there is a term that you need to combine, then ey, which is ey is 12y, plus your f are the numbers or the constant numbers. So you have here positive 1 and then 36. You can actually combine them. So 36 plus 1 is 37 is equal to 64. But it is not yet written in the form x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So in order for us to convert that or to have this general form, you need to use additive or the subtraction property of equality, wherein you are going to multiply 64 both sides in order for us to remove or to cancel 64 here. So this will be x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 12y plus 37. So you are familiar with the transpose. I know you are familiar with transpose, but actually that is not transpose, but you are going to use the properties of equality. So you are going to use subtraction property. So this is minus 64 is equal to 64 minus 64 in order for us to have 0. Okay? So now, this will be x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 12y plus, so 37 minus 64 is negative 27 is equal to 0. So that is how you are going to write general form to standard form to general form of a circle. So let us have another example. So for another example, we have here the quantity of x minus 1 square plus the quantity of y minus 2 square is equal to 4 square. And then you were asked to write this in general form. So we all know that it is written in a standard form and then transform this into general form by just expanding. We're just doing the same process as what we have done a while ago in the first example. So this will be x squared the first term, multiply the first and the second term, so this will be negative x, multiply it by 2, so that means negative 2x, and then square the second term, so this will be plus 1, plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 4 square is 16. So you have here now this equation. Okay? So now, you are just going to combine like terms or the similar terms, or if you want, you can actually write that in the general form already. So this will be x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y. So this will be positive 1 plus 4 is positive 5 is equal to 16. So in order for us to have 0 on the left, since we're dealing with general form, so this will be x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y plus 5 minus 16 is equal to 16 minus 16. So this will be cancelled, so this will be equal to 0. So x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. So we are now done with transforming or writing standard form to general form of a circle. And that is how you are going to do that. Okay? And I forgot to mention, if you were asked to identify your D, your E, and your F, it is just simply like this. So your D is whatever the number or the leading coefficient of your X, that is your dx. So your D is negative 2. Your E is negative 4 because that is the leading coefficient of Y, and your F is negative 11. Because the general formula for the general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So your D is negative 2, your E is negative 4, and your F is negative 11. And that ends our video for this day, which is about or how to write standard equation of a circle to general equation of a circle. So I hope you learned something, and I also hope that you can apply all the knowledge that you have gained here in your activities. So that's all. Goodbye.